Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a nail tutorial if you haven't gathered already. I got my bicarbonated soda and I got my nails laid out. I got my little brush. I got everything I need, you know? So first thing I'm gonna do is just put some powder and one of these bad boys right here. And then, as I said, I already set out my nails. And as you can see, I've now stuck them on. This is my first time doing a voiceover, guys, so I'm going to need y'all to bear with me, okay? Okay. Right, so if you're like me and you're a bit heavy-handed, you're going to want to put some more glue up in them nails to secure them, make them secure. I'm not really a big fan of long nails, so I definitely had to cut these bad boys down. Like, do you see these claws? Jesus Christ, don't even get me started. Anyways, back to the video. So what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze the nail a little bit at the end after you've cut it, because it kind of like widens out. But after I shaped them and filed them, this is how they looked. Cute, right? I know. So damn cute. So the next bit, right, I need to tickle my skin. The next bit is you're going to take your nail brush glue and you're going to dip it into the carbonate, the soda. You're going to dip it in. Dip it in, love. And you're basically just going to continue doing that until you fill the nail completely. So go ahead, do your thing, sis. Do your thing. Do your thing. So yeah. Oh, I just zoomed in a little bit for you so you lots could get a better view. They look so cute. Oh my god. Guys, I can't lie. I did not get this idea from myself. I saw this on someone else's channel. I'm going to put her name, her YouTube channel, her whatever, in the description because I kind of forgot her name. But she is a babe. She's a babe. She's just an absolute babe. Okay, so what you're going to do after you do each one is brush the powder off. And then the finishing look should look something like this. My nails look a lot crustier than... Oh, my kettle. Oh, guys, I've got to go to the kettle. I'll be back. I won't even be able to lie to you lots and tell you lots that I'm not even British, bruv, because it's a lie. You heard my kettle. You heard the British kettle. Jesus. Anyways, guys, what you're going to do is you're going to file down them nails to make them nice and smooth, because as I said, the girl whose video that I watched, my nails didn't look exactly like hers, but I still managed to do the same thing that she did. But yeah, you're just going to go ahead and file them down, make them all smooth. After I did that, I then used the Cuticle Oil and I used a clear nail polish to make these look all pretty or whatever. So I then painted it over with some blue. I then applied glue onto my index finger because I wanted to add some glitter. This is how I applied the glitter to my finger so that it could give me like that glitter but still blue. I didn't want it to overly be too much glitter. And the finishing product was like this. This is how it turned out. I had some gold, like shiny gold pieces that I like was like a nail polish that I put over the blue as well, which made the nails pop even more. I'm so happy with how these nails turned out. I'm quite impressed. This is my very first time doing nails. I'm not a nail technician. I don't have experience. I've never done it before. I've never done a course. I've just watched a China man do my nails. That's about it, blood, you get me? If you man like this video, then I'm gonna need you lots to like, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a blood clear friend. Peace.